Welcome to my class, children. Today we are going to see Standard 1 English Grammar part, naming words. It's called nouns. Okay, let's go to the topic. Today I am going to share a very short and lovely story with you all. And through the story we are going to learn something new. So, are you all set to go? Yes, let's start. See this picture. There is a lovely house, a big house. In that house, there lives a pretty girl. Do you want to meet her? Yes, there she is. And her name is Mona. Children, do you all friends? Yes, Mona also has two friends. Let's see who are they. One friend is a dog. Yes, children, Mona has a pet dog and its name is Jimmy. What is its name? Jimmy. And her second friend is a teddy bear. It's a toy. It's a toy. Okay, children, they are playing together very happily. Okay, now let me recall the story. There is a house. There lives a pretty girl named Mona and she has two friends. One is dog Jimmy and another friend is Teddy. Okay, house is a place. Mona is a person. Jimmy is an animal. Teddy is a thing. So, place, animal, person, thing are called naming words. Did you see all things have a special name? Am I right? Okay. So, everything around us has a name. When we born, we use names. So, I hope you understand through the story that all things around us have a name. Okay, children? Today we learn the names of things in the picture. First, I am going to show a picture and tell the name. Okay, first one, lock. See the picture and its name. Lock. Bat. Bat. Books. Books. Eraser. Eraser. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Pencil. Pencil. Key. Key. Ball. Ball. Bag. Bag. Okay, just listen and repeat. Okay. Shall we start again? Lock, bat, books, eraser, toothpaste, toothbrush, pencil, key, ball and bag. Very good, children. Now, I am going to show a picture. You will tell me the word. Okay? Let me start. Yes. What is this, children? Yes, you are right. This is a lock. What is this? It is a bat. Excellent. What is this? These are books. What is this? It is a eraser. It is a toothpaste. Toothpaste. This is a toothbrush. What is this? Yes, it is a pencil. This one is key. This is a ball. And the last one is a bag. Okay? Now we are going to play an interesting game, and the name of the game is Things That Go Together. Some of picture cards spread on a screen and jumble them together. Okay children? See, lock. Lock ஓட corresponding picture கீழே எங்க இருக்கு? Lock. Toothbrush? No. Lock. Pencil? No. Lock. Key? Yes, you are right. Lock. Key. Second one, bat. Bat. Ball. Third one, books. Books. Bag. Eraser. Eraser. Pencil. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Okay, very good. This will help you to know more the names of the objects. Okay, my dear children, let's go to the another activity. First, I will show the picture of places and things. See here, classroom. It is in your book page. What is this? Yes, beach. This one is, wow, colorful vegetables and fruits. And transport. Okay. Now you will find out the names. What did you see in the picture? Okay. Okay. I will give some examples to you children. Light, fan, TV, girl, table, books, boy, bag, door. Okay children? Rest of the pictures you will find out. Okay? Then go to the next picture. Beach. See here. Tree, bird, kite, sun, tender coconut, ball, watermelon, puppy, sandcastle, bucket. Okay children? Shall we go to the next picture? Yes. Vegetables and fruits. See here. Red chilli, tomato, orange, grapes, cabbage, mango, apple, garlic, banana, beetroot. Listen to it. Okay. And we will go to the next picture. Train, helicopter, auto, bicycle, scooter, car, lorry, bullock cart. Bullock cart. Okay children? Can we match the words with places and things children? Yes. First one is classroom. and beach. Then fruits and vegetables. Then last one is transports. Okay, I think you all like this activity very much. Okay, one more activity is waiting for you. The name of the game is Name Hunter Game. And for that we need two dices. Okay children? One is number dice. You can use as normal dice. But for the next dice, you need to categorize the names like classroom, family members, vegetables, fruits, friends, beach, etc. Okay. What is the next step and how to play this game? Throw both dice together. What will you get? See here. Just I threw both dice together. Can you see what did I get? It means I need to name 3 classroom objects. If you get number 5 and vegetables, what does it mean? It means need to name 5 vegetables. Okay, children. This game will help you to know more about the names of places, things and persons. Okay, from this topic we learn associate words with pictures and names familiar objects seen in the pictures. Okay children, we will meet the next class. Thank you from Nirmala. Bye.